Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do favicons or favicons depending on your pronunciation. And what these are, this is one of my websites, and you can see there at the top my homepage it has it's actually got DR in a background, but it is what it means is that it's unique to the site, and that's the basics of what they mean. And across here we go to Argos, and that has the A, the red background, so we know what that is instantly. And another one is Tesco, and again we know what Tesco, and a T with a blue line at the bottom. But what we're going to try and do is something here with a one that doesn't have it, which is a hobby site of mine, which is photography, and this one doesn't have a favicon. So if we look at, we come out of there, we look there and we see all the other three there do. So if you see any famous site, you always know instantly what they are when you've gone. So how do we get a favicon onto a website? Well, there's a few different coding methods. I've already done the actual favicon, and which is this here, and the very small things, I've done this at 32 by 32 pixels. When they go on there, they're probably about 16 by 16, so if you actually blow that up, it looks at 400%, something like that. So basically I've done the blue background with a camera because that the site's about photography. So what we do is we need some code to put in our web pages so it recognizes the favicon. So this code that I'm going to use is this, and that is a link, and we see it's the icon. The type is image stroke JPEG, which is what the image format is, and the href is favicon2.jpg, so that's what it's actually called. In some of these the code is ico, which is favicon.ico, and we would have image stroke ico for that, but on this one I prefer JPEGs to do my favicon. So what we do is we're going to take that code, so we copy that, and we go into the server. So we just go down here, we'll find index, which is the index HTML, which is the home page. For any web designers out there, they'll know what that is. For people who don't, well, that's something that you probably learned. So what we do is we'll put this in at the head of the page. So we just pop this in here. Maybe we'll just put it just under title. This web page should have a title, by the way, but it doesn't, and that would fail on HTML validation. So we just pop this thing in by this computer's playing up. We paste, and we save that, save and close. So we got that. So what we do now is we choose the file, we go to desktop, and we'll find where our favicon icon 2 is, which it's there. So that just goes on your server, you upload that, close because it's done, and now this should, if you refresh it, should come up with, there it is. And if we look up there, we find that it's got its little favicon on. So if we come out of there, we'll drop that down, and we'll do that again at nb photography.me.uk, and there we go, there's its thing. It does actually look a tad dark, that, but that's the way to do it. So hope that's been helpful. So thanks for watching.